pelican. I studied PP. My favorite farm animal is horse. The horse can run fastly. Thank you. Farm animals, goat, sheep, out, cow. I am Dixit from PP2. I like farm animals. Cow gives milk. Hen gives eggs. Bees gives honey. Sheep gives wool. Thank you. Rabbit is a long ears. Rabbit teeth, big teeth. Has a long ears. Eat carrot. Thank you. Horses are farm animals. Horses black, white, brown in color. People ride horses. Horses run very fast. Thank you. Fish. Fish. Horse. Rabbit is a carrot. Rabbit is a long ears. Rabbit is a 2 eyes. Rabbit is 4 legs. Dog produces milk. Produces milk. Some animals are summer, cow, pig, and horse. Some animals. Horse, cow, sheep, goat. Farm animals are Lactasia bird. It has 2 legs. It lays eggs. It has yellow beak. It has black. It can swim and run.